Look at Daddy.
A candy cane.
Candy cane.
And then
Another candy cane.
You've got pretty Christmas hair.
What's this? Some tattoos? You want to help? I'll help you with this part. Who's on there? Santa. Maybe we can put some stuff in there now, like this. You want to put the stuff in there?
Are you excited for Christmas?
I can make the cookie.
Not yet.
Oh, there's more stuff in there. You gotta keep going. It's gonna be a long day if you give up now.
Oh, I'll help you with that one. Oh, all the candy canes.
Are those Hello Kitty slippers? Santa put slippers in a giant sock?
Here's another one.
That's confusing. Who puts shoes in a sock? Yay, stockings! Yay! Okay, we got that squozy part on Christmas.